All right, YouTube, I got the Milwaukee chainsaw here, and I have this Shrub. Hopefully I'm in good view where you guys can see me, but I have a 2.0 battery on this guy, and it's about to rain, so I'm about to take this Shrub out and see how it does on this Shrub here. See how it looks. Pretty simple. Man, this thing is a dream. The Milwaukee chainsaw is approved by me. Look at that guy. When working with this chainsaw, be very careful. And I add again that I'm on a 2.0 battery. My battery's pretty full, but 2.0. So I actually don't like to handle that chainsaw too much. When I first got it, I was cutting up some shrubbery for a customer, and let me tell you, I took that chainsaw right through my boot, man. It almost really got me. It almost got me, folks. So be careful using that chainsaw, and that's my quick review on the Milwaukee chainsaw. If you don't have it, go get it. It can handle a job like that pretty simple. Thanks for watching.